Hi, friends. Let me just ask you something that might shock you. What if I told you that one of my friends just doubled his income in just 3 years, but still lived a broke life? He lived in the same small environment, same house, same standard of living, and every month struggled to have no balance in his bank account. Desire, right? How could that even be possible? Someone who has grown so fast in life but still not seeing wealth every day in his account? That's possible, that happens. But my dear friend Dr. Vivek, who happened to have been struggling with all this, acquired three life changing secrets that just transformed his way of living with that money. And he shifted his reality from empty bank balances every month to actually being the one of the best and wealthiest professionals in his own industry. So let me share with you. Grab your cup of tea or coffee and sit with this and listen to all these three secrets that he told me. If you're tired of working hard but never seeing the real wealth, this video will completely change how you think about money. So grab it and listen till the end. Let me tell you about my friend Vivek. He is a brilliant man, a dedicated doctor, absolutely excelling in his career. Hospital after hospital was recognizing his talent. His salary kept jumping higher and higher. Everyone around said, Vivek, you're growing so fast. You must be so successful. But here's the thing. Vivek was really miserable as far as money was concerned. Despite the incredible success, it was only on paper. He was barely getting by every month. Every month he'd look at his bank balance and wonder, how could this happen with me? What am I doing wrong? And then one day his eyes opened when he happened to visit a workshop called Billionaire Mindset. Earlier, he felt like a victim because the harder he worked, the more money he earned, his financial position still remained exactly the same. He was not able to enjoy the financial security for which he was working so hard. One day he realized that it was not how much more money he earns that is going to make him financially secure and financially free, but it had to do everything with his relationship of money. This revelation hit him like lightning. He realized that he had been approaching money all wrong his entire life. And then he first saw and applied these three principles. The first secret that he shared was treat money like your beloved, like your best friend. So every time you get money in, how do you treat your best friend, right? You welcome him to the house, you treat him with respect, love, gratitude. You make him or her comfortable. And still, you don't try to control him. You don't try to suffocate it. This is what the exact principle he learned and applied in his life. He started speaking to his money in his bank accounts, the notes in his hand. He used to give love and gratitude to it, give respect, and he told the money that I am going to take good care of you. I appreciate you a lot in my life. And what happened was the drains of money that were happening in his life. He noticed that those financial leaks gradually reduced. Every time he increased his income, he had some exuberant, unpredictable expense. Like some house repair used to come, some car damage had to be paid off, some unprecedented, unknown transactions that where he lost his money. And now, as he went up, his income increased. He did not lose that money just by changing his relationship with money. He replaced that fear, that scarcity, that stinginess around money with a lot of love and appreciation for it. Secret number 2, arigato money. Arigato simply is a Japanese term which means thanking, being grateful to money. So his mentor taught him, every time you give money or you receive money, you must give your thanks. And Vivek was astonished beyond belief to understand this. Here's what most people do not practice. Vivek learned to say thank you not just when money came in, but also when money went out. Before this, like most of us, he would be very happy when money came and stressed when money left. But his mentor taught him, be grateful for the blessings that you have because you're able to pay for the services, the comforts and luxuries in your life. When you say like pay your electricity bill, say thank you for the money for giving me light, comfort, air conditioners, fans. When you buy grocery, say thank you for the nourishing food that is able to be there on my plate for my family because of this money. This shift in perspective in Vivek's life completely changed his energy around money. He stopped seeing expenses as losses and started seeing them as examples where he got chance to express his love and gratitude for the money in his life. Secret number 3, conscious charity. Now this secret even surprised me to the core. Vivek used to give money in temples and feeds birds regularly. When I heard this, I told him, but you're already doing charity, isn't it? You're giving money in temple donation boxes, you're feeding the birds. But his mentor asked him a powerful question. Why are you exactly giving money to these places, Vivek, in temple or to birds? Vivek realized he was giving this out of fear. He gave money in temple donation boxes because his parents said it would upset the gods if he didn't do so. He fed the birds because a healer once told him to bring more peace to your house, it's an important ritual. Do you now see the problem? When you give money from a space of fear, you're actually inviting more fearful energy around money into your life. True charity, conscious charity, his mentor explained Vivek, comes from a place of love and abundance. It comes from thinking that I have more than enough and I can joyfully share with others. When you give from this space, the universe responds by sending you more joyful and abundant money. This one principle alone freed Vivek from his self-sabotaging patterns with money. Friends, the results speak for themselves. Within 2 years of applying all these principles, Vivek became one of the wealthiest doctors in the fraternity, known for his work and also with a changed relationship with money. But more importantly, he found peace with money, harmony with money. He did not have any worry about financial insecurity or independence right now. And he did not care so much about the hikes that he was getting because he knew that building real wealth implies on how you treat your money and how you grow it, not only how you earn more. So now, my dear beautiful souls, I want to ask you one question. What is your relationship with money right now? Are you treating it with love or are you treating it with fear? Are you grateful for it when it's coming and you're giving it out? Or are you stingy and sad when the money goes out? Are you living from an abundance mindset or a scarcity one? If Vivek's story resonates with you, I want you to try at least one of these principles, apply in your life and see the results for yourself. Just hit the like button if this video served you and pass it on to the friends who would like to hear this advice. And if you want more tips on mindset, abundance, and how to create peace with money, then subscribe to the channel.